Oh, thank you, Whip. Thanks very much. Thanks for the presentation. We welcome the presentation. Maybe one must start with the recommendations from the committee. From the department. Sorry, I used to engage with the committee a lot. I want a specific clarification to check, because as I was listening to the presentation by the CEO, we are busy consulting with different stakeholders. And I think it's very important because we still have it on some of the issues. I think we can also take that opportunity to engage you at that level. So therefore, I want to understand if a political party wants to come and invite you to come and do the presentation and engage with the political party, are you amendable to that? That is one. Secondly, as we are busy consulting with stakeholders, if you can also share, where are you advertising or inviting those stakeholders? If one group or NPO, NGO, or whoever wants to be part and parcel of the consultation, where one can get that information. But for me, I want to understand if we can invite you as EFF caucus in Parliament or political party in HQ to say, please come and engage with us in order for us to understand you. But having said that, I still have some few questions. And the chair is saying that we must check from page 46 to page 50, whereby this e-voting is no longer being used by those countries. And it comes from your own presentation. So therefore, I want to understand, because this e-voting has been introduced or tried in other countries, as you alluded to the presentation on the document that called in exploring the implementation of electronic voting in South Africa, is a policy discussion document of the IEC. So maybe the specific question, CEO, why would you want to explore something that has failed? What do you want to hope to achieve differently from those countries such as Namibia? And I'm very happy because it's one of the African countries who have tried and said, no, it's not working for us from various reasons. And Ireland, Germany, and Peru, and DRC, I think they're still using it. So that is the question, because some of the issues or some of the reason why they are no longer using this e-voting, it's around the issue of devices. As we speak now, as South Africans, we have the issue of devices ourselves. The currently VMD that is used by the IEC is always giving us problems. And it also causes a lot of stresses and infighting. Being the latest development is in Ward 110 eThekwini, whereby the IEC official took the VMD and go and charge it at his house or her house, and it caused a lot of infighting. So one, we have that problem as we speak. Secondly, we have a problem of load shedding. We have a problem of network. We have experienced this morning when the chair, even now, this session is not chaired by the chair because of the network. So if we are saying that as a country we are ready for e-voting,
Honorable Mkhalifu.